Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for the sponsors in Singapore, okay, today we officiate the completion of this project, Live Kenya, okay, at this country, at this area called Fihoni Gazi Kwale County. Okay, so these are all the 92 names that we have for you who have contributed to this well. So we are just the person who mediated and make sure Brother Salim here also make sure everything is ready on time. This project was initiated slightly 2 months ago, 2 months ago after the Korban project. Yeah, so today, allow me to share. So this is the name. This is where they will, the villagers will get their water. Just need to open up. See, inshallah. Nampak? Can open up. See the amount of water. Okay. Yeah. Nanti boleh minum. Okay, tutup dulu. Okay, allow me to explain how it works. So, of course, water, these are the pipes where they are collecting water. But what's important? Come, camera, come. Mari. Come. So they are all excited to listen to what's happening. Okay, you see this? Okay. Okay, you see here on this ground? Okay, this is where the water borehole is. Okay, they dig as deep as 60 feet. 60 feet is about 20 plus meters, about 22 meters. About 22 meters deep into the ground. That's where they found water. And then they put in piping and so on. And they seal it. Okay, so this is an important part of the whole project. The water project, well project, Okay, so what's happening here? So that's the water hole. Okay, now, on my right, this is the solar panel. Okay. When we commission this project, okay, this solar panel is supposed to last for 10 years. If you ever have a lifespan of 10 years before we need to be replaced and later on. So, okay, as you can see, the solar panel will generate electricity, and eventually this motor will pump electricity to the water pressure pump inside the water borehole, which in turn will pump water into this big tank. This big tank can contain up to 2,500 liters of water at one time. Okay, so there's two pipes here. You can see one pipe, the taller one and the shorter one. Okay, the water is pumped up into the water tank. Okay, so as the water fills up, it will stop when it hits a limit using a flotation system. Okay, if you know our modern toilets, there's this flotation system. When the water level hits, it will stop filling up. Okay, so inshallah in the future, so if we have some excess energy, we can have some capacitors and even light up the madrasa, right? Inshallah. So because as long there's sun, there's always energy to be produced, and inshallah we can use the excess energy other than pumping water. We can use it for other stuff. Okay, continue with the water borehole here. Okay, so this pipe is where the water will eventually go to the top. You can see there people already taking water. Come. So many people here. I see. He's the engineer. What's your name, brother? His brother Abu Bakar is drinking. It's clean, yeah? This is fully groundwater. Okay, so he's the engineer. See, he's a proof. We can drink water. Because if he's dirty, he's responsible for it, right? So, mashallah. So he is also a very important person here. who makes sure that all these things is set up properly. He's the one who developed this. MashaAllah. So now everyone is drinking ready. See, Alhamdulillah. Allahu Akbar. Allah is great. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. MashaAllah. See, Alhamdulillah. Okay, so this is our one of our projects, and officially this is project is open. I mean the water is open, but we will close this project today. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.